Wait, can cheap drones really challenge some of the most advanced air defense systems in the world? Well, that is a question now echoing through Washington, and the answer, according to several American defense officials, is more worrying than many expected. This is Times XP, and inside the corridors of the United States Congress, senior military leaders they reportedly delivered a closed-door briefing that raised alarms across the Middle East. Well, the weapons that many people once dismissed as simple and unsophisticated, Iran Shaheed drones, that is in talk. Let me tell you, these are not really massive fighter jets or hypersonic missiles. While they are relatively small, they are not really expensive, and they are produced by Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps linked defense industry in Iran. But their growing numbers and clever design, they are beginning to worry even most powerful militaries. During the briefing, senior defense officials from the administration of Donald Trump reportedly explained that Iran's drone strategy relies on something very simple but very effective: overwhelming the enemy. Instead of sending one expensive missile, Iran can launch dozens, sometimes hundreds of these drones at the very same time. Each drone may not be extremely sophisticated on its own, but together they can flood radar screens and air defense systems with their target. Well, the tactic is known in military circles as swarm attack. Well, that's right. Imagine dozens of flying objects approaching from different directions at low altitude. Air defense radar must detect them, classify them, track them, and then fire the interceptor. But interceptors are expensive, right? In fact, in some cases, a missile used to shoot down a drone, it can cost tens or maybe 20 times more than the drone itself. And that imbalance creates strategic problems. Here, officials including Mr. Pete Hegseth, the US Defense Secretary, and Dan Kane, the chairman of the Joint Chiefs, they reportedly warned the lawmakers that Iran's drone arsenal is expanding rapidly. Factories inside Iran are believed to be producing large number of these aircraft, while similar designs have already appeared in conflict across the Middle East and Eastern Europe. The very well-known model, the Shaheed 135, it is sometimes described as kamikaze drone or loitering munition. Instead of dropping a bomb, the drone itself becomes the weapon. It flies towards the target and detonates on the impact. Well, what makes it difficult to stop is the way it travels. These drones move relatively slow and fly very low to the ground. That means that radar systems designed to detect the fast-moving ballistic missiles may struggle to identify them quickly. Military analysts say that this is exactly what Iran intends. By keeping the design simple and low cost, Tehran can manufacture large quantity and launch them in waves. Even the most advanced defense network like the Patriot, they can be stretched thin if too many of these targets appear at once. And this is why the discussion inside Washington has become so intense. American planners are now examining new strategies to deal with drone swarms. These include electronic warfare systems that can jam the drone signal, laser-based weapons that can destroy targets cheaply, and upgrade the radar network designed specifically to detect low-flying drones here. But the bigger picture is strategic. Drones have changed the modern warfare. They allow smaller powers to challenge stronger militaries without building any expensive fighter jet or missile fleet. In other words, a relatively cheap drone, a technology, it can suddenly create a major battlefield problem.